Hey friends, I decided to start a 7-episode experiment in creating audio-only content. So I hope you enjoy. Please tell me what you think in the comments section or send me a DM.
Riff number 5. What is a bug? When you test, what specifically are you trying to find? What are you seeking for? What's a bug? So in testing courses and trainings and workshops that I do, I sometimes ask the audience that can you explain what a bug is? And there is this awkward silence in the room. And then somebody shouts out from the back, well, the software doesn't work. Or somebody says that the software it has errors, it's malfunctioning. It's a bug, that's a bug. So, and the silence falls again. And it's in the rooms of even 20 testers, sometimes nobody can come up with a great answer for a question, what's a bug? And yet, we should be the best people in the world, we testing professionals, to explain what's a bug to people who don't understand testing yet. And if you cannot explain what's a bug to others, if you can't explain what a bug is to yourself, how likely is it that you are finding more of them, that you can find meaningful bugs, if you can't explain what a meaningful bug is? So what is a bug? Something like 10 years ago, I went to this rapid software testing course that was held in Helsinki. It was arranged by Michael Bolton, not the singer, but the software testing guru. I would say that Michael Bolton is my testing guru, and he changed my life as a testing professional. And one of the key phrases that stuck to me at that training was that a bug is something that bugs someone who matters. A bug is a thing that bugs someone who matters. So, trying to think about the key phrases, the first question is, who matters? Do you matter as a tester? Some testers say that no, it seems to me that I don't matter. What I think doesn't seem to matter anybody else. Learn more, influence. But anyways, you as a tester are probably someone who matters. If it bugs you, it's really likely that it might bug somebody else too. So who else matters? Well, someone who guards the business of the product that you're developing, product owners, project managers, even the business executive of your company. Who else matters? The developers. The developers need fast feedback in order to be able to create better results and higher quality products. Who else matters? The clients, of course, the ones who use the software. And sometimes the people who matter in the customer side might be different. It might be different person who pays for the product than the one who actually uses it. So to be able to identify who matters is crucial to be able to discuss what a bug is. And what's interesting here is that for a product owner, different things are important than for a developer, than for the user. And understanding their needs, all of the, I dislike the word the stakeholder, but clients, colleagues, and bosses, to understand the needs of each individual is really, really essential to creating world-class results and to be able to discuss about what a bug is. And then comes the first part of it. The key phrase was that a bug is something that bugs someone who matters. Well, what is it when it bugs you? Well, that's the question. So I'll try to explain it to you in a short story. So I've been doing for a couple of years, I've been doing a video blog. And since I live here in Finland, it was a dark November night, when I left my office and started to walk to my car dealers where I had just left my car for a repair for today. And I started to walk, and it was something like 0 degrees Celsius, and it was raining, raining like half water, half snow. And I took out my phone and started to talk to my front-facing camera. I was starting to do a video blog when I was walking there, and I was like, "Oh man, it's so cold here in Finland now." And then all of a sudden I realized that, it's so cold here in Finland. Compared to what? I had just, in the morning I had read in the newspaper that in Siberia, in north of Russia, they had something like minus 60 Celsius of temperature. There was like, if you pee outside, the pee freezes, it's like, it freezes immediately. So it's like, it's really freaking cold in the Siberia. So is it really that cold here in Finland today, since it's only 0 degrees? It's not. But if you compare it to, for example, Egypt, it's probably pretty damn cold here in Finland too. So when I was saying that it's damn cold here, I should immediately have started to think compared to what? And that's the thing here. When I ask the people in crowds, in software testing classes or workshops that what's a bug? People say that it works bad, or it doesn't work. It simply doesn't work. Hard to explain here. It simply doesn't work. It works badly, or it works slowly. Slowly is a great adjective. They have a lot of adjective. This is frustrating, for example, some might say. So let's choose, for example, the slowness. It works slowly. Is it a bug or not? That's the question. If it bugs you, it might be a bug. But then, as an explanation that this is a bug because it bugs me, I have this jiggle in my ass that it's slow. Somehow it's not a professional explanation of a bug. So when you feel that it doesn't work, you need to be able to compare it with something else. So for example, this feels slow compared to every other product in the market would be a great way to explain that there might be a bug here. So a bug is always a relationship with two different reference points. One reference point is of course, it can be the specification. But then again, can a bug be in the specification? Yes, it can. So you could even test the specification against the user manual, for example. You need to have two different reference points in order to be able to compare them. And what we as testers are searching for is the consistency inside of the product with other similar products, consistency with the behavior that I have on the product, with the specification, with the sales brochure, with the marketing memo, or whatever it is. We are trying to see if the product is consistent with all other reference points. And if it's not, there might be a bug. So what a bug is, it's an inconsistency between two different reference points, and you need to come clean what your reference points are. And then, if there is an inconsistency between two reference points, that's when it starts to bug you. So something's amiss here. And then when it starts to bug, you need to be able to ask, who matters? So the concluding key phrase once more is, a bug is a thing that bugs. Inconsistency between things. A bug is a thing that bugs someone who matters. Bug is something that bugs someone who matters. So understand what it is to bug and understand who are they who matter. That's the end of riff number 5.
Yay, that was the episode for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like, please still give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I would appreciate if you tell me what you think in the comment section, or please DM me if you feel like it. Take care. Bye bye.